Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use circular patterns in Fusion 360. This powerful tool allows you to efficiently duplicate objects around a central point or axis, saving you a significant amount of design time. Whether you are working with two-dimensional sketches or three-dimensional models, the circular pattern tool can be applied to features, bodies, components, or even individual faces, streamlining your workflow considerably. To create a circular pattern, first navigate to the Create menu, then Pattern, and select Circular Pattern. Next, you will select the specific objects you want to duplicate. This could be a sketch element, a three-dimensional feature like a hole, or an entire body. After selecting your objects, define the central axis or point around which the pattern will revolve. Finally, input the desired quantity of instances, remembering that this number includes your original selection. Fusion 360 offers various pattern types, allowing you to duplicate features, entire bodies, components, or even specific faces. For distribution, you have three main options. Full evenly spaces your chosen quantity of objects around a complete 360-degree circle. Partial lets you define a specific angle, for example, 180 degrees, over which the pattern will be distributed. The symmetric option creates mirrored instances in both directions from your original object. For optimal results, consider these best practices. You can use the suppress option to easily turn off individual instances within a pattern without deleting them. Generally, patterning three-dimensional features tends to be more efficient and offers better performance than using sketch patterns for complex designs. Always double-check that your selected axis or center point accurately reflects your design's rotational intent. Remember, you can always modify your pattern later by double-clicking its icon in the timeline.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.